Greetings, everyone. It's Sandy Rogers, and today is day 32 and of this urine fast. And I am in the city of Nashville, Tennessee, and I have had such a remarkable day. I have gotten such an historic view of this part of the land. I was not familiar with the history, and so my lessons continue today thanks to Dr. Nancy Dawson. She is just a whiz. She knows this history and she knows this area very much. So I'm thankful to be blessed with her friendship. And as we move about, we're bonding with one another. So it's been incredible. So I went into Kentucky today, into Logan County, where Dr. Dawson lives. And I had the honor of having this brother named Michael to give me a tour of the 5 Black American museums that are there. It's incredible that a small town like Russellville, where they live, has so much rich history. And it was just amazing. So I did a lot of filming out there today. I did bring my video camera with me, so I'm really excited about that. And just learning all the history of what happened in that area, and just wait until I get a chance to edit that the film and be able to post that. It's just incredible, all the stories and the lessons that I got today. So I'm excited. We went to 2 additional farms in addition to Dr. Dawson's farm, where I had to pick me some fresh food. Although I'm still not eating, but I'm going to take them back to Atlanta, and they'll be a part of my vegetable soup on next weekend. So I'm excited about that. I just have this passion for fresh food. So bear with me, and let's see how it all works out. And so today, and then, okay, let me not forget, I was getting ready to get off of here. Dr. Dawson took me to an Amish garden, and the vegetables over there were just incredible. So I got more vegetables from over there. So I got purple bell pepper. I got cherry. No, not cherry. I'll have to tell you about what this tomato is. I can't call it right offhand right now, but it looks purplish red. I want to. Anyway, I'll verify the name of that tomato. I got peppers, and I got a squash. I wanted to get more, right? And then over at Dr. Dawson's garden, I got tomatoes, I got eggplant, and I also got some beans, some string beans. So this vegetable soup gonna be off the chain, man. I can't wait. So look, I think that about takes care of it for today. I have still remained on my water and urine fast. We did stop and have some blossom tea. So that's where you put these blossoms in water and you let it sit. And as the flowers come to life, then the tea is made. So I had that, no sugar, no honey, no sweetener. And other than my water, that's what I've had for today. I love y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. I've got one more day here in Nashville. And I know that for whatever reason, my iPad is not working. So you're going to get like 3 days when I get back to Atlanta. So they're all update at that time. So you guys, I'm sorry that you haven't had anything. as of late, but I tried it on my phone and I've tried it on the iPad and it's just not working. So I love you though. You'll get them all at one time. Love you much.